Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. You have to remember that knowledge is a key to success and everyone needs this key to be successful in every field of life. I am going to teach you mathematics of 9th class. We have started unit number 2 and the name of this unit is real and complex numbers. In the previous lectures we have studied real numbers. These are the numbers that we can found on a number line. In other words, we can say the combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Today we will discuss complex numbers. ऐसे नंबर्स जिनको हम a प्लस आयोटा b की फॉर्म में राइट कर सकें उनको हम कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स कहते हैं. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स के टू पार्ट्स होते हैं, रियल पार्ट एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट. आयोटा टर्म के साथ जो भी पार्ट होगा उसे हम इमेजिनरी पार्ट कहेंगे और जो विदाउट आयोटा टर्म होगा वो हमारा रियल पार्ट होगा. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स को हम अल्फ़ाबेट Z से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. वी कैन डिफाइन कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स एज अ नंबर ऑफ द फॉर्म a प्लस आयोटा b where a and b are real numbers and iota equal to -1 under root is called complex number and is represented by Z. So we can write it as Z equal to a plus iota b. आयोटा की वैल्यू हमेशा -1 अंडर रूट के इक्वल होती है और कम्प्लेक्स नंबर को z से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. सो वी कैन से z इक्वल टू a प्लस आयोटा b इज अ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर. हियर वी विल डिफाइन सेट ऑफ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स के सेट को हम c से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट एज c इक्वल टू z सच दैट z इक्वल टू a प्लस b आयोटा वेयर a b बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर्स and the value of iota is -1 under root. In the term z equal to a plus b iota, a is called real part of z and b is called imaginary part of z. Here we will discuss how to find the powers of iota. As we know that iota equal to -1 under root. If we want to find the value of iota square, then we will write it as iota square equal to -1 under root whole square. In this equation, square and under root are cancelled with each other, which will give us -1. So we can say the value of iota square is equal to -1. And if you want to find the value of iota cube, first of all we will write it as iota square into iota. Iota cube को हम लिख सकते हैं iota square into iota, क्योंकि जब भी हम कोई भी टू टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें उनकी बेस सेम हो तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाती हैं. यहाँ पे आयोटा की पावर 2 और आयोटा की पावर 1 जब ऐड करेंगे तो आयोटा क्यूब बन जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन राइट आयोटा क्यूब इक्वल टू आयोटा स्क्वायर इनटू आयोटा. एंड हेयर वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ आयोटा स्क्वायर एज -1 इनटू आयोटा विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस आयोटा. इन दिस वे वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आयोटा क्यूब विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस आयोटा. बाय यूजिंग द सेम मेथड वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आयोटा 4. First of all, we will write it as iota square into iota square. By putting the values of iota square as -1 into -1, we will get 1 as the value of iota 4. In this way, we can find any power of iota. Now we have to solve exercise 2.5. In this exercise, we have to evaluate the powers of iota. In the first question, the value is given as iota raised to power 7. We can write it as iota square whole cube into iota because iota square whole cube equal to iota raised to power 6 and iota raised to power 6 into iota equal to iota raised to power 7. अगर बेस सेम हो तो पावर्स ऐड कर दी जाती हैं. That's why we can write this value in place of iota raised to power 7. We also know that iota square equal to -1. So we can write -1 in place of iota square and all other terms are written as it is. अगर किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर की पावर ओड हो तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट हमेशा नेगेटिव आता है. सो वी कैन राइट -1 इन प्लेस ऑफ -1 होल क्यूब इनटू आयोटा विच इज़ इक्वल टू माइनस आयोटा. वी कैन से आयोटा रेज टू पावर 7 इक्वल टू माइनस आयोटा. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वैल्यू इज गिवन एज आयोटा रेज टू पावर 50. वी कैन राइट इट एज आयोटा रेज टू पावर 50 इक्वल टू आयोटा स्क्वायर होल रेज टू पावर 25. Because when 2 is multiplied with 25 it will give us 50. By putting the value of iota square which is equal to -1, we can write -1 raised to power 25. We know that if the power of a negative number is odd then it will give us a negative answer. so we can write it as -1. In the next question, the value is given as iota raised to power 12. We can write it as iota square whole raised to power 6. By putting the value of iota square, we can write -1 whole raised to power 6. If the power of a negative number is an even number, then it will always give us a positive answer. So -1 raised to power 6 is equal to 1. Next is minus iota raised to power 8. We can write it as minus iota square whole raised to power 4, because when powers are multiplied it will give us minus iota raised to power 8. By putting the value of iota square, we can write minus 1 whole raised to power 4. Here minus is multiplied with minus and it will give us positive 1 whole raised to power 4, which is also equal to 1. If the value is given as minus iota raised to power 5, then we can write it as minus iota square into minus iota square into minus iota. अगर बेस सेम हो तो पावर्स ऐड कर दी जाती हैं. अगर इन तीनों नंबर्स की पावर्स को ऐड कर दिया जाए, then we can get minus iota raised to power 5. We also know that iota square equal to -1. When minus is multiplied with minus, it will give us positive 1. So in place of minus iota square, we can write 1, and in the last we will write minus iota as it is. By multiplying all these terms, we get minus iota. Next is iota raised to power 27. We can write it as iota cube whole raised to power 9. As we have proved that iota cube equal to minus iota, so in place of iota cube we can write minus iota whole raised to power 9. It can also be written as minus iota raised to power 5 into minus iota square into minus iota square. In the previous question, we have proved that minus iota raised to power 5 equal to minus iota and minus iota square equal to 1. By putting these values, we can write minus iota into 1, which is equal to minus iota. Now we have to discuss conjugate of a complex number. अगर किसी भी complex number में हम iota का sign change कर दें और बाकी टर्म्स को एज इट इज राइट कर दें, देन वी कैन गेट द कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ अ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर. इफ वी चेंज आयोटा टू माइनस आयोटा इन अ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर z equal to a plus iota b, we obtain another complex number z equal to a minus iota b, which is called the complex conjugate of z and is denoted by z bar. For example, if we have z equal to -1 minus iota, then the conjugate of this complex number is equal to -1 plus iota. हमने complex number में सिर्फ iota का साइन चेंज कर दिया. अगर नेगेटिव है तो हमने उसे पॉजिटिव कर दिया, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो हमने उसे नेगेटिव बना दिया. In this way we can find the conjugate of a complex number. In question number 2, we have to find the conjugate of the given numbers. First number is given as 2 plus 3 iota. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स का कॉन्जुगेट फाइंड करने के लिए हम आयोटा टर्म का साइन चेंज कर देंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट दिस कम्प्लेक्स नंबर z इक्वल टू 2 plus 3 iota. देन z कॉन्जुगेट कैन बी रिटन एज z बार इक्वल टू 2 plus 3 iota बार. जब हम कम्प्लेक्स नंबर z का कॉन्जुगेट लेंगे तो हम आयोटा टर्म का साइन चेंज कर देंगे, which will give us 2 minus 3 iota. So we can say that 2 minus 3 iota is the conjugate of the given number 2 plus 3 iota. Next is 3 minus 5 iota. Firstly we can write it as z equal to 3 minus 5 iota. Then z conjugate can be written as 3 minus 5 iota whole bar, which is equal to 3 plus 5 iota. Next is minus iota. We suppose that complex number z equal to minus iota. Here the real part is equal to 0. Then z conjugate equal to minus iota conjugate, which is equal to iota. हमने iota का sign change कर दिया, which will give us positive iota. Next is minus 3 plus 4 iota. यहाँ पे भी हम iota term का जो भी sign है वो change कर देंगे. Firstly we will write it as z equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota. Then z conjugate can be written as z bar equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota bar. By changing the sign of iota, we get the conjugate of a complex number minus 3 minus 4 iota. Next is minus 4 minus iota. First of all, we will write complex number z equal to minus 4 minus iota. By taking the conjugate of complex number z, we can write it as z conjugate equal to minus 4 minus iota conjugate. By changing the sign of iota, we can write minus 4 plus iota, which is the conjugate of the given number minus 4 minus iota. In the next question, value is given as iota minus 3. Firstly, we will write it as z equal to iota minus 3. By taking the conjugate of this number, we can write z bar equal to iota minus 3 bar. यहाँ पे भी हम iota का sign change करेंगे. Here iota is positive. By taking the conjugate, it will become negative. So we can write it as minus iota minus 3. In question number 3, we have to write real and imaginary part of the following numbers. The question is given as 1 plus iota. Without iota, जो भी term हमारे पास होगी, this is called real part of complex number, and the coefficient of iota is called imaginary part of this number. First of all, we will write it as z equal to 1 plus iota. Here, real part of z is 1 and imaginary part of z is also equal to 1. क्योंकि यहाँ पे iota का coefficient 1 है, that's why we can say imaginary part of z is equal to 1. In the next question, minus 1 plus 2 iota, we can write it as z equal to minus 1 plus 2 iota. Here real part of z equal to minus 1 and imaginary part of z is equal to coefficient of iota, which is equal to 2. Next is minus 3 iota plus 2. Firstly, we will write it as z equal to minus 3 iota plus 2. Here the real part of z, which is without iota, is equal to 2 and the imaginary part of z, which is the coefficient of iota, and it is equal to minus 3. Next is minus 2 iota. We can write it as z equal to minus 2 iota. Here the real part of complex number equal to minus 2 and imaginary part, which is equal to coefficient of iota, is also equal to minus 2. Next is minus 3 iota. Here only imaginary part is given but real part is not given, so we can say real part is equal to 0. Firstly, we will write it as z equal to minus 3 iota. So we can say real part of z equal to 0 and imaginary part of z is equal to minus 3. Next is 2 plus 0 iota. Firstly, we will write it as z equal to 2 plus 0 iota. Here real part of z equal to 2 and imaginary part of z, which is the coefficient of iota, is equal to 0. In this question, we have to find the values of x and y. If x plus iota y plus 1 equal to 4 minus 3 iota. इस क्वेश्चन में हमने x और y की वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है. First of all, we will write x plus iota y plus 1 equal to 4 minus 3 iota. By arranging these terms, we can write x plus 1 plus y iota equal to 4 minus 3 iota. अब हमने रियल और इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स को कंपेयर करना है दोनों साइड्स पे. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड x plus 1 is real part, which is equal to the real part of right hand side, which is equal to 4. So we can write x plus 1 equal to 4, and by comparing the imaginary part, we can write y equal to minus 3. By taking the constant term to the other side, we can write x equal to 4 minus 1 and we will write y equal to minus 3 as it is. By solving these terms, we get x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 3. Now you have to solve exercise 2.5 and you have to give your best. Thanks to all of you for sharing your precious time. Allah Hafiz.